Our story begins here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, in a city called Medina and a mosque called the Masjid al-Nabawi. It is the second holiest site in the religion of Islam. Every year, the city of Medina has to accommodate about 2 million people for the annual Hajj. And this mosque is a common site of worship. While it is one of the world's largest, the expansion that has occurred over the years has not kept pace with the increasing swell of pilgrims. And while pilgrims are more than happy to pray outside if there's no room indoors, with summer temperatures exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit, these marble-floored spaces can be punishing and in some cases dangerous. A challenge has thus emerged. How do you improve the mosque's natural microclimate without destroying its architectural character? German designers S. L. Rach, in collaboration with the Safar Architecture, decided to come up with a revolutionary idea: giant umbrellas. 250 convertible umbrellas span about 150 square meters and are about 20 meters tall, and they convert the entire open plazas into fully covered outdoor rooms. They move very elegantly and are programmed to fold and unfold in a specific sequence so that they can avoid collision between their moving parts. Their operation is almost entirely silent and is automatically aligned with the changes in daily temperature. They open every morning to create a large translucent ceiling and close in the evening in less than 3 minutes, leaving a large forest of elegant posts towering over the spaces. In the summer, these umbrellas provide daytime shading and reflect away most of the sun's radiant energy. When at night, they close to allow the heat that's been absorbed to escape back into the atmosphere. The process is reversed in the winter. When temperatures are low, the umbrellas are closed during the day to allow the winter sun to warm the site, and are opened at night to retain heat at ground level. These posts have more than one function. They can also channel infrequent rain towards the center of the columns and connects it to the building's drainage system. They also have lamps inside the columns which provide nighttime illumination. This project had successfully reduced the temperature of the area by at least 14 degrees. This allows the pilgrims to focus more on their spiritual concerns. Of course, a project like this required a lot of work. The Saudi Arabian Ministry of Finance has hired the contractor SBG to help organize the entire project. They all worked together in tandem with a German umbrella manufacturer, Liebherr, and a Japanese manufacturer of fabrics, Toyo Kogyo. They had all worked together to try to solve this problem in the best way possible, especially when the Toyo Kogyo Corporation has had several trouble fabricating membranes for the umbrellas. After working together, they had all decided that it should be made out of 100% polytetrafluoroethane weaving material, which was developed and produced specifically for this project. It ensured that the umbrellas would be fire resistant, safe, durable for a long term against the harsh Middle Eastern weather, and flexible for everyday use. These posts are quite a feat. They are environmentally sustainable, keep the area's integrity without a large amount of construction, and protect the pilgrims from the sun. Unfortunately, most of the work was provided by migrant workers, and while labor rights have increased in Saudi Arabia over the past couple of years, it's best to have domestic workers as to not ship people overseas to do the work in Saudi Arabia. All in all, the project has been mostly successful.